welcome back everybody. So look at the question. So what are they telling? X and Y are two ports, okay? So here X is one port, okay? And Y is another port. What's the or harbor, okay? And both are having distance in between as 780 kilometers apart, okay? And from the port X, okay? Port wise available, a boat starts, okay, exactly at 10 a.m. okay, exactly at 10 p.m. okay, and it's traveling towards a Y at 130 kilometer per hour. So that means for 1 hour it will reach 130 kilometers, okay, within an hour it will reach 130 kilometers. Please mind it, within an hour it will reach 130 kilometer, okay. And another boat is available. That boat is, you can call Y, okay. So you can call the boat as B, okay. So first boat as A, second boat as B. It is traveling towards X, starts from Y, and it is going with the speed of 70 kilometer per hour. So 1 hour it will cover only 70 kilometers. So that means what, it is a slow boat, okay. A boat is high speed boat, it is slow speed boat, okay. Now listen me, how we can carry forward means, so what is the main one means, so look at over here. So we take a, because they are asking the question as another boat starts at 11 p.m. is it right? So at what time they will meet? That is the only thing. So both A and B boat, at what time they will meet, okay? So listen here, the A boat is starting at 10 p.m. is it right? And after that only B boat starts at 11 p.m. So first of all A only is coming, okay? When the time, okay, listen here, when the time it becomes 11 p.m. okay, when the time it becomes 11 p.m. the A boat has reached 130 kilometers, because Y means what, 10 to 11 p.m. is how much difference, 1 hour, is it right? What we said, what the question said, within 1 hour A boat will reach 130 kilometers, because it is 130 kilometers per hour, is it right? So automatically, listen here, starting from point X and goes up to the point M. M means what, at 11 p.m. the point which is called this M, okay. So how much thing, what's the answer, which is equal to 130, is it right? Exactly. Okay, now what you do means, you want to take the distance of M and Y. You want to take the distance of M and Y, okay. So how we can calculate? My means what, take the total distance XY minus the distance covered by the boat A from X to M. That means what, XM, is it right? So what's the XY full coverage is 780 kilometers, right? Yes, 780 kilometers, because distance between X and Y is 780 kilometers. It's given in the question, okay. 780 kilometers apart, okay. 780 minus what's the XM? 130. So automatically you'll get 650, is it right? Okay, so we have to calculate the speed. So what is the relative speed means, because both you have to make an average speed. So that means what, you have to take 130 also, that boat speed also 70. What does that means? That is the relative. Relative means what? Speed of both the boats. That's equal to 200 kilometer per hour. Simple thing. What you do means, you want to divide the 650, the total distance, is it right? That means cover it, and when the boat starts, by this answer, okay. So automatically what you get, if you get 650 divided by 200, automatically you get a cancel, and after this one it will be more. So if you go by 5 means what, 1 5 is by 3, so 5, and then divided by what you have, you will be getting 4, is it right? So you'll get 3.3 for the 12, is it right? Then 30 means what, 7, you will get, is it right? 7 for the 28, and then 2 5, okay, 3.75. That means what? So 3 hours, okay, 3 hours, that means what, 75 minutes. 75 minutes, how can you make? 60 minutes plus 15 minutes, am I right? Yes. What is 60 minutes? Is this 1 hour, right? So 3 hour plus 1 hour, 3 hours, sorry, plural, right? 1 hour plus 15 minutes. What is 3 hours plus 1 hour? 4 hours. So 4 hours 15 minutes, is it right? So automatically, when the boat starts at 10 p.m., what is the time after 4 hours 15 minutes means what? It will reach by what is 10 plus 4? So 10 after 4 hours means 2 hours, okay, morning 2 a.m. is it right? 2 hour 15 minutes is the answer. So to make towards 15 a.m. is the answer. I hope you may understand. If anything means, just comment in the comment box. Thank you.